Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the chart of gold USD in front of us, and at last we got the sell position below 1945. We have been discussing about the selling opportunity below 1945, but we had a very strong support around 1950 and gold was not ready to go down. Ultimately, the buyers around the support of 1945, 1950 surrendered yesterday, and we got the selling opportunity we have been discussing for the last couple of days. Gold made a low of 1930, 32, 33, and ultimately gold closed at 1938. Yes, my dear friends, we also got the bounce we have been discussing for the last couple of days around 1932, 1933 level. But sadly, I missed the buy opportunity around 1933 level because it happened just before the closing and I do not work after 9 p.m. So anyways, this is the market right now, and so let's discuss step by step. No. So dollar dips against euro, gains on yen as Fed policy stays in focus. Dollar dip against the euro on Friday but gain against yen, and investors evaluated comments by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell that the central bank could hike rates again if inflation remains above its target. Okay, and this is the chart of DXY. Technically, DXY is still struggling around 106 level. We have discussed in a previous video also that if we look at the chart of DXY, then we can see DXY is trying to recover. Moreover, we also have a gap here and market doesn't like gaps. So DXY at one point will try to fill the gap here. To do that, DXY will have to cross this level. So by next week, if DXY breaks 106 level, DXY will face next resistance around 106.20, then 106.60, and once DXY will hit 106.60, it will fill this gap, and after that I don't think so DXY will be heading higher, and more or less we will get to see a sideways market like this. So let's wait and watch. So next week will be very important for DXY, and because of the gap at the top, we have further upside possible on the chart of US dollar index. Gold falls after a hawkish speech from the Fed chair. Gold closed sharply lower on Friday following a hawkish Thursday speech from Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. So if you look at the sentiment of the market, so more or less you can expect that market has digested the conflict between Israel and Palestine, and right now, market is back on track again. So there is pressure on the chart of gold because of this, because of the hawkish speech from the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. And if you look at the chart also, you'll see that technically also further downside possible. Okay. So this is the chart of gold USD in front of us. At first, let's look at the weekly chart here. On the weekly chart, you can see that this week market has formed a big red candle, and we have discussed about the possibility also. We were on the sell side, so hopefully you all guys did pretty well. So right now you can see the 50 moving average, the green line on the weekly chart, has been providing dynamic support to the market, and we can see the next support on the chart of gold will be around 1920. So if gold breaks 1920 on the weekly chart, you can see that there will be a further fall because we do not have any immediate support. Okay, and if we go to the daily chart, we can see a similar story. You can see around 1920 level we have a bunch of moving averages providing dynamic support to the market. Once market will break it, market will show further downside. We all face problem in finding the latest financial news and do the fundamental analysis. If you want to stay ahead, then I would like to share a solution that I have been using for the last couple of weeks. FastBull.com. FastBull not only provides latest financial news but also shares market analysis. This is the website of FastBull.com, and it offers everything that a trader requires every day. The best part is they also have a mobile application, light and compact, and it does everything. If you go to the analysis section, you'll find two columns. First, the analysis from the institutions, and the second is the analysis from the fastbull.com analysts. They also have recently launched AI signals. If you're interested in signals, then you can avail the signal service from the fastbull.com. But keep in mind, you need to follow proper risk management. Risk management is above all. Fastbull is a very useful and a tremendous website for traders like us. Feel free to check out. The link is in the description. So technically we can see that if market breaks 1920 level, there will be further fall on the chart of gold. And if you look at the chart, you can see the next support is around 1817 level. But to be honest, this is not possible. Okay, this is not possible, because if we look at the contracts, you can see, my dear friends, at 1925 we have a good support. In fact, we have already discussed in our previous videos also that at 1925 we have a good support. So if market breaks 1920, 25, 20 level, then yes, further downside will come, but 1900 is a psychological support. So before going for a free fall, market will have to cross 1900 level. So it will be a step-by-step process. Okay, it will be a step-by-step thing, then only we will get the picture. Now let's look at the weekly chart, sorry, 1 hour chart, our favorite time frame, and let's discuss the opportunities one by one. Okay, so probably you are confused right now what to do on the chart of gold. Where are the trading opportunities? So if you already have taken a buy on gold on Friday, if you already have taken a buy on gold, then you don't need to do anything, because further upside possible right after the market opening. I'm not saying that we are going to have a complete trend reversal, but yes, market is going for retracement and you can look for some sort of upside, at least 30-40 pips more on the chart of gold. Clear? And where is the resistance then? My dear friend, this is the chart of gold right now. So you can clearly see the structure of the market is not very positive. How is the structure? The structure is like this, means market is constantly forming lower lows and lower highs. I told you guys before also, if market will come to 1930, 1934 level, we will not get a complete trend reversal. Rather, we will get a good bounce, and we can see the bounce here. So this is just a bounce, or consider this just as a bounce, because for a complete trend reversal, what do we need? We need the backing of a fundamental factor, and right now we don't have that. So my dear friends, if you already have a buy position on the chart of gold, be on the trade, no need to do anything. On the other hand, if you have a sell position on the chart of gold, you can hold your position, because if you're having a sell position on gold, then I'm considering you as a swing trader, and we can see further downside on the chart of gold. So yes, in the coming days, further fall is very much possible on the chart of gold as well. So whether you have a buy, sell, doesn't matter, hold your position. But swing traders, you have an edge, because good fall is possible. Okay. And if you're looking for fresh trading opportunities, then my dear friend, you need to wait for the market to come up. The first resistance is around 1945. This is our first resistance. Why? The previous support will be working as resistance, but try to avoid this. Rather, look for a sell position around 1950 to 1952. Remember 1950 to 52? This was the support. Okay, so the same support will be working as resistance right now. 1945 may work as resistance if the volatility of the market is very low. Okay, usually we don't get to see much volatility on Monday, so that's why I'm mentioning 1945. Otherwise, I wouldn't have mentioned. Otherwise, 1950, 1952 seems to be a better resistance for day traders who are looking for fresh opportunities in the market. So, my dear friends, see, right now on the chart of gold, we don't have many opportunities. Okay, if you want to create opportunities, then you can go for it, but we need to focus on quality rather than quantity. Okay, it's no use of taking 15 to 20 trades and generating commission for the broker. Okay, rather you should focus on quality trades. You all should have a weekly target. Okay, you should have a daily target, weekly target, and a monthly target. Let's say your weekly target is 120 pips. How much? Your weekly target is 120 pips. So to achieve the target of 120 pips, you can take a one good trade of 120 pips. You can take two trades of 60 pips, or you can take 12 trades of 10 pips each. More you trade, higher chance of making mistakes. So rather focus on quality. Okay. Anyways, 1950 to 1952 is the first level where we can look for sell position, and as the structure of the market is not very positive and there's a high chance that market will face resistance. Once you'll see the market is facing resistance, market is about to move down, you can look for a sell position. On the other hand, if market breaks 1930 also, listen to me carefully, if market breaks 1930 also, you can look for a sell position. You can see I have drawn the line at 1933, but keep in mind 1933 1930, this is a support zone. Okay, so if you're a scalper, then only go for a sell position below 1930. How much you can expect? Do not expect much, because on the chart of sorry, on the options data, we can clearly see that 1925 is standing as a big support. Okay, so if you go for a sell below 1930, just go for a quick sell, scalp 20-25 pips and exit. That's it. And if you're a swing trader, do not try to sell below 1930 level, because there's a high chance of getting trapped. I think market will struggle again. Just like the battle we saw around 1950, we will get to see a similar battle around 1930, 1925. I think buyers and sellers will fight here to take the market in their direction. So trading opportunities are limited right now. If you already have a buy, be on the trade, try to exit on Monday. If you have a sell, I'm considering you as a swing trader. You can be on the trade, because the structure of the market is not very positive. And if you're looking for fresh opportunities in the market, then my dear friend, the bounce already took place. So as a result, you need to wait for the market to reverse from 1950, 1952 level. If market reverses from there, you will get a sell position and it will be a good trade. Okay, 1945 is also present as a resistance, but I don't think so it will be a good one. Okay, and 1930 is the last swing low here, but 1930 below taking, sorry, 1933 is the last swing low. Okay, and taking a sell below 1933 or 1930 can be a little bit risky, because contracts data is showing a different thing. Contracts data is clearly showing that there will be a battle between buyers and sellers around 1925. If you want to go for a sell below 1932-31 level, you can go for a sell, but try to be very careful. Beginners try to avoid, because after taking a sell, there's a high chance that after going down for 10 to 15 pips, you may get to see a big red green candle and you may be trapped. So if you have the experience of scalping, then only go for it. Okay, so that's all from my side, my friends. I do not want to take any more time by stretching the video. Anyways, if you're looking for Hindi videos, please subscribe the channel below. I'll be uploading the Hindi video as well for the coming week or the Monday. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, follow proper risk management, have a happy weekend, nice weekend, take care.